All right, so the best way that I've found to make any day worth living or to turn a bad day into a good day is to do something uncomfortable. And that's been my life motto for the past couple of years now is to do something uncomfortable every single day. And that will ensure that at least you're making some sort of progress because in my personal belief, I think that in order to grow, you have to be out of your comfort zone. And I don't know if I'm probably not saying anything new here. You probably know that you have to be uncomfortable in order to grow, but doing something uncomfortable every single day will get you a little bit more out of your comfort zone, and it will ensure that as long as you do one thing uncomfortable every single day, you will have made some sort of growth, even if it's that 1% every single day. That eventually adds up to a lot. And if you know me, I think if you know me in real life, the way that I like to go about this is through cold showers. So a lot of people don't like taking cold showers because it is inherently uncomfortable. The cold water is a shock to your body every single time when you get into that water. And while it does get easier, like, my fingers don't get numb or they don't go purple and my toes don't go purple anymore, it's still it's still something uncomfortable. Like nobody really thinks, oh, I want to jump into a cold shower. Maybe if it's like hot, like it has been these past couple days or whatever. But for the most part, people like their warm showers, especially in the winter. All right, when I do cold showers in the winter, then people kind of look at me crazy and they're like, what are you doing? But that's kind of been my personal way of getting something uncomfortable done every single day because I mostly take a shower every day. As long as it's a cold shower, I'll know that even if I just wasted the day or didn't really do anything that I would consider really productive, I would consider it a success if I at least took a cold shower because that is something that is uncomfortable no matter what anybody says, and it does get me out of my comfort zone for that day. So while ideally I would like to do a lot of things that make me uncomfortable every day, like reading and journaling and making YouTube videos and exercising, all of those things are great, but there are days where you don't just sometimes you fall off the horse. So in order to kind of keep you on target, you have to do at least one thing uncomfortable every day. Maybe that's not a cold shower for you. Maybe that's saying hello to one of the employees at a place that you visit, at a store that you go to, or the groceries, or the security guard at the front desk. I don't know, whatever it may be, to do something uncomfortable every single day. That is the best way that I have found in order to turn your days from negative to positive, or at least you can see some sort of progress being made with that day. So you can't just view it as a waste of time that you spent that day doing nothing. As long as you get that one thing in that makes you uncomfortable for that day, that I think you should view that as a form of success, not entire success, because obviously we have some more different goals that we're trying to reach that require a little bit more effort than just doing one uncomfortable thing, but that's the stepping stone. So while everybody's going to have a bad day, you can't make every single day, sunshine and rainbows. That's not how life works. But I think that it's important to keep in mind that if you can do at least one thing that makes you uncomfortable every single day, you'll be on the right track, not only in self-improvement, but just just pointing your life in a direction that's positive for the future that you want to go. Because, like again, I said that growth happens when you're uncomfortable. So getting out of your comfort zone every single day will ensure some sort of success in your future. So that's going to be all for today's video. Leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to stay on target.